If you're running a home improvement company, whether it's painting, roofing, or construction, then you already know that the real struggle isn't the job itself. It's about getting the next one. Most businesses rely strictly on referrals. But what happens when those dry out? Or when you're too busy on site so that you don't have time to follow up with your new leads? That's why today I'm going to show you a client booking system that I've built 100% with AI. So no ads, no cold calls, just real customers booking themselves straight into your calendar while you're out there getting the job done. And the best part is that I'm going to show you this 100% for free in just a matter of moments. My name is Love, I'm 19 years old, and I build AI-driven sales systems for businesses so that they won't have any headaches worrying about their CRM or ClickFunnels. So now, let me show you exactly how this system works. Okay, so starting things off strong, we're going to go to Firebase Studio. This is basically a free alternative to Bolt, Replit, or Lovable, where you basically just tell AI what to code and it will code it. It's 100% free. If you want to host your website, then you can choose like a paid plans and stuff like that just for extra bandwidth and stuff like that. Other than Firebase, we're going to go to Calendly, and this is basically where we can create our different calendars to capture leads and actually have them neatly stored. But coming to Firebase, we're going to start off with prototyping our app. So I have a prompt here. I'm going to paste it in as I did, hit prototype, then it's going to load. So as you can see here now, it's basically outlining a plan for us. Here we have stuff like this. I want to go here and hit customize just to make sure we set language to English. So all content in English. We can hit save. It's going to redo this all again so that we make sure that everything is in English. Then we can hit prototype this app, and it's going to basically do all the coding for us, and I'm going to be right back with you all. So as you can see, we got the first prototype here. To me, it doesn't look that bad, but it could definitely look a lot better. I'm going to describe a few changes. So basically, here are my changes. Delete widget, center the entire page, remove the image under the main heading instead of the image on macro screen, delete all login features and change the name. And then we can just send it. It's going to redo the code, and we're going to have a new prototype ready real soon. Okay, so now I've played around a bit with Firebase. It looks very good, if I can say so myself. And this landing page, if we press this button here, we open it in a separate tab for preview, and this basically highlights our core system that we offer in my agency, as I said before. Here I scroll, you can see it's all made by AI and looks very neat. So automate your sales, build your future. Engage Growth is the all-in-one platform for home improvement and construction businesses in Sweden to attract, qualify, and manage leads automatically. We scroll, you chose the toolkit, a free, like a small little CDA, trusted by Swedish industry leaders. These are just placeholders, not real clients, by the way. Find perfect plan. We have a few different plans here with some CTAs, and yeah, there we have it. What we're going to do now? Well, we're going to go to Calendly and we're going to set up our account and connect that to the site. Okay, so coming into Calendly, we're going to need to sign up. I'm going to sign up with my Google account. I'm going to select it. I'm going to hit continue. I'm going to, just press this, continue. It's louder now. I'm going to fill out like an onboarding form. So how do you plan? On my own. What's your role? I'm doing consulting. Next. When are you available? Here's my operating hours. Obviously, I'm going to add all of them because I'm a proper hustler. Then you can modify this as you want. Time zone. This is not my time zone. I'm in Stockholm. I mean, Central European time. This is my time zone. I'm going to go to next. How would you like to meet with people? In person, because yeah, this is going to be for construction. For my business, Google Meet, but for construction in person, I'm going to select Google Meet since this is supposed to be my landing page. I'm going to continue. It's going to set up the account. Got it. This is the first meeting that we have, 30-minute meeting. We're going to get a link, so we can basically just paste it in. We're going to see here that we can get a calendar where we can book times and stuff. What we're going to do is we're going to hit these buttons here. We're going to go to edit. More options. Or we can have like descriptions, limits, invitee form. This is what we're going to do now. So basically we're going to want to capture name and email. We're going to have questions. Okay, so basically business name. That are required. One line. A new question. We can say, what are your main problems running your business? Required. We can have multiple lines for this one. Then we can set up another question. What online softwares are you currently using? This is all. We're going to have save changes. I have 4 questions now. It has been saved. We can go back. Then we can just save again. We can exit this. What we're going to do now is that we want this to be shown on our website. Basically, we're going to hit add to website. We can choose here. So in inline embed, pop-up widget, pop-up text. We're going to hit inline embed. We can continue. Here we have embed code. We have some booking page settings, button link color, text color, background color. We have all of this. We can just leave this as default. We can hit copy code. Then we're going to go back to our Firebase. I'm going to say create a new page dedicated for booking. Connect all CTAs to this page. Embed this code to show the section. I'm going to paste in this code, and then it's going to run, and now we're going to embed our calendar. So now if I hit, for instance, get started, it's going to take me to a booking page, book consultation. Here we have this beautiful embedded calendar widget. So basically we can go ahead here, we can select the date, select time. We're going to need to be able to fill out this form. So name, engagegrowth.net, business name, engage growth. I need leads, word of voice flow, HubSpot. Hit schedule event. Now an event has been scheduled. You can see here that we get a confirmation page. what's going to happen now is me, as the business owner, I can go into my Gmail. I can see here new event with Love Lundgren. And also, if I go to Google Calendar, and you can see in my calendar that I also have this event here. I even have a Google Meets link all laid out for us. And this is exactly how we capture our leads and how we give our clients access to this information. In Calendly, you can also see here your upcoming meetings. You can see upcoming, past, and you can even select a date range. You can see here, if I press on this, that we also see all of the questions that have been filled in. So engage growth, I need leads. You can see that it's Luve here. And yeah, also like only all of the useful information all in one place. So there we have it. I hope that this helped you out a ton. If you run a construction business looking to implement a similar system into your business, then I'm your guy. Go into the description, read my email address, and just send me an email to luve@engagegrowth.net. If you're looking to build something similar or just are someone that's curious about AI in general, please join my Discord server with the link in my description. I will have the prompts that I use in there along with multiple different templates for various AI automations available to all of you for free. If you want to connect with me, that's also the best way to do that. I hope all of you learned a ton. Leave a like so that more people can find this video. And yeah, I will catch you all in the next one. Bye bye.